Hey now, it's your girl ChonitaNicole and welcome to Do Dream On if you're new, and if you're already a dreamer, welcome back y'all. Welcome back y'all. Welcome back. Okay, today we are going to be making this shirt. Let's get to it, okay? Let's jump into the video. Let's go. Okay guys, so I am going to be using Siser's Easy Pattern Heat Transfer Vinyl. This is Black Heritage Patterns at Michael's exclusively. It is sold too, and it is super cute. I've been holding on to this, so I'm super duper excited to finally use it. I'm going to be using my Cricut maker, and I'm ready to get it started. So luckily this Easy Patterns Plus is pre-masked, which makes it easier for us to use, okay? Here's all the information here. Guys, so really quickly, I just wanted to show you the website that I got this pattern from because it's so cute. I got it actually in person at Michael's, but this is the website. It's Siser Easy Patterns Plus Soul 2 Heat Transfer Vinyl. Okay, this is actually exclusively at Michael's. Once again, it's the Black Heritage pattern, and it's super dope. It just gives you the description here so you can read the description, and then they have reviews, shipping, all of that information. Then they give you other designs that you might like. So I just wanted to show you at Michael's what it looked like. And then this is the Easy Patterns Plus application instructions, and this one is pre-mask. So I did just want to show you that really quickly. It gives you that information, and then I want to show you where I got this image. I got it from Etsy, but you know, I'm actually gonna change it up. I was going too fast and I want to do something a little bit different, so I did get it from Etsy. This is where I got it from, and this is how it originally looks. So it looks different than what I have, but I'm gonna show you what I did. So I uploaded the image inside of Cricut Design Space, and if you don't know, you literally just click upload image and you can browse your computer or you can drag and drop. It's completely up to you. Okay, so I went ahead and uploaded my design, and then I went ahead and added it to the canvas. Once I added it to my canvas, you see how little it is? I made it larger. You literally make the image the size for whatever shirt that you're doing, okay? So you make it. So what I did was I was in a rush because my auntie asked me to make this really quickly before she went to a birthday party. So I was in a rush, and when I got on here, I uploaded the SVG. And when I got on here, I said, oh no, how am I gonna, do this? So what I did was I ungrouped it, and when I ungrouped it, this was actually vinyl. So this would have been vinyl, and these would have been vinyl, but I didn't want it to be vinyl. I wanted it to be splice, like cutout letter. So let me adjust the screen really quick. So it would have been longer for me to cut this vinyl and then cut all these sheets. So I didn't want to do it like that. So what I did was I went and deleted that, and then I wanted this to be the same color. So this looks gorgeous, but for what I wanted it to be the same color. So I went ahead and I changed it all to be the same color. So that's the first thing that I did. So what I did was I left the blocks just the way they were because I liked it. Then I went to text, and the text that I used, as you can see up here, the font was Gin and Tonic, okay? So then I just put the same words that they had on the original one, and I made it the size that I wanted it, and I just put it, I'm gonna do it caps, all caps. And then what I did was I put it where I wanted it to go, made it the size that I wanted it to be. And then what I did was I selected only these two images. And then I went down to slice. And if you don't know what slice is, slice actually cut these letters out. So now this will be the outside and then it'll be transparent for the word. So what I did was I went ahead. So just so everything looks neat, you can make them all the same size. All I did was do the exact same thing. I just made sure those two were selected and then I literally just sliced it and then deleted it. Okay? That's all I did for all of them. And because I just wanted it to be different. Now, if I would have kept it like how they had it, then it would have been more vinyl that I would have used. And honestly, would have just took a little bit more time and I would wanted this look. So even though I originally used that template, you can always change it. Period. P-E-R-I-O-D-T. Okay, so you can always change things. I like the way the blocks were, the size and all of that was. So I kept that, but I just added my own little razzle dazzle. And honestly, to be honest, if I could have made both of these. I didn't even need to purchase it, but I wasn't thinking and I was just trying to hurry up because it was like super last minute. I could have just honestly made this from jump inside of here. So once I have that, I command all, I selected everything, and then I attached it. And look what happened here. Now it's all attached. So now that that's attached, and I'm just going to go ahead, it's all attached. It's going to cut all of this out. I'm going to weed the letters out, and then I'm going to slap it onto the shirt. So I made it, and that's just how it went. All right, so I did use a 12 by 24 mat. I did go ahead and mirror it. And then I'm going to be printing this out, cutting this out with everyday vinyl settings for my Cricut Maker. And that's how I made it. Okay, so we have it on our mat with the design face down. We're going to go ahead and load it in our Cricut. So I'm going to use my brayer just to make sure that it's nice on this mat. And then we're going to go ahead and load it. And now it's cutting in the Cricut Maker. It cut really smooth. I just had it on everyday vinyl. Okay, so we have it printed out, cut out, I'm sorry. I hope it is right because I do not know, y'all. This is my first time and we're about to try to figure this out. So let me cut it. Okay, take this piece off to save for later. And we are going to weed it and see if it cut out right. Okay, so let's see if it was the right pressure, if this came out right. Ooh, okay, Siser. Ooh, Siser. Come on, it's coming off really good. Just trying to get this off. I want to make sure that I get what I need off and nothing more. It's still on the mask. It's coming off pretty good. Really good, actually. I'm impressed with it. And we are just weeding away. Okay? Okay, I want to make sure I don't take off what I'm not supposed to take out. This part is a little hard. Okay, now let's get to the letters. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay, y'all. Oh my goodness, this looks so cute. It looks so good. I am so happy with it. Look how good this looks. Oh my goodness. So we did it the right way. It came out so good. All right, so we have to lint roll and pre-press the shirt. Okay. Make sure every little piece of hair or anything is up, because we do not want it to mess up the shirt, especially because it's white. So we're going to take the design and lay it on the shirt. Let me scoot you guys in so you can see it. Oh my goodness, look how cute that is. So what we're going to do is make sure it's centered, and then we're going to press it. This is beautiful. Okay, guys, so we're going to go ahead and press it. It says set for 305. I put for 310 for 15 seconds. Just a little bit more heat. Just a little bit. So we're going to go ahead and press it. All right, guys. And it's a hot peel. So let's... Ooh. Oh, this looks good. Let me bring you guys in so you can see it. Dreamers, do you like it? I love it. If you like it or love it as well, drop a heart down and comment. And if you want to get your own t-shirts and apparel for your business, make sure that you check out my Bella Canvas affiliate link down in the description. Look at that detail, y'all. This looks so good. I am in love with it. Oh, I love it. Okay, y'all, we did that. Shout out to Siser. This easy pattern is the absolute bomb. It turned out dope. Okay, so that's a wrap. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, holla at your girl. If you have not already, please join our Facebook group, Crafty Queen Dreamer. We love it over there. Follow me on Instagram, Do Dream On is the handle. TikTok, Do Dream On is the handle. And I love y'all. Did y'all know that? I think y'all knew that. Anywho, y'all be safe out there, you hear? Bye. Okay, y'all, it's time for our Dreamers comment shout-outs. Kakija03 said, I'm in love with Pretty Ricky. He did his thing. Yes, period. Shout out to my Ricoma EM1010, okay? Pretty Ricky, what I call him. Kyleezy always gives me this, so thank you so much for the love. Jesse said, good video, thanks. Looks good. I use 613. I like transfers. I'm going to have to check them out. Thanks, Jesse. Honest Review said, congratulations. Definitely going to purchase now. Talking about Bella Canvas. Yes, use that Bella Canvas affiliate link. Thanks, Honest Review. Dr. Sam14 said, great video. I may order some transfers and compare to other companies. Yes, Dr. Sam, that's what I'm going to do. That sounds like a great plan. The Crafted Mind says, thanks for all the tips. Shirts look amazing. Thanks so much, The Crafted Mind. I appreciate you. For your time, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.